Hi there. In this video I will show you how you can rid of unpleasant smell odor inside your room, car, bathroom, living room, garage, kitchen and so on. This device is Ozone Generator. It's very important not to be in the same room while this device is working and operating. So the ozone treatment is very dangerous because the ozone O3 is a very powerful sterilizer, but at the same time very toxic. You should not breathe it. So this package comes usually with the sticker and the user manual, or call it the quick start guide, and it's describing how does ozone work, and also you have some information regarding its usage, so the best practices, how to use, how many minutes do you need to use it inside your car, inside the office, bedroom, living room, and how often you need to do the ozone treatment in those places. Let's see the instructions. Step 1. Do some cleaning to remove the source of odor. Step 2. Set the timer for treatment and adjust based on the room size. Step 3. Stay outside of the room being ozone treated. Step 4. Open the doors, windows to allow ventilation for at least 1 hour before returning to the room. This is the most important thing. So never ever breathe the air when you're entering the room or the car or any place that you're using this device, because it's very toxic. You don't want that thing in your lung. So this device comes with the timer. It was also mentioned inside the instructions. You can set it to 10, 20, 40, 80, 100, and also on hold. You have the red light that you see when it's operating, and you also have some notes and warnings to use it in unoccupied space only. So never be in the same space where the device is operating. Let's go ahead and remove the odor from my car. The best place, the most optimal place for the ozone generator is the middle of the car. So you can use the armrest to put the ozone generator. And as you see, the cable is not too long. So you will need the extension cable, you will need the extension cord to be able to plug it in to use the device. Before turning it on, you need to roll up the window or to use the power window to almost completely close the window, to roll up the window. But take care not to damage the cable. So leave few millimeters just to have some space not to damage the cable. Turn on the recirculation. Turn on the ventilation to the maximum, and also turn on the AC. As you notice, the red light is not on at the moment. So I set the timer to 30-40 minutes. That will be enough. And the device will be turned on just after I close the doors, roll up the windows, and plug in the cable to the wall socket, wall outlet. As you see, the light is on, the device is operating. Never jump into a car right after the ozone treatment. Ozone is highly toxic to breathe. Open the car doors and left it clear for at least 40 minutes before getting in. It's also important to ensure the ozone generator is not operating. Even after 40 minutes, if you still smell some strange bleach kind of metallic kind of smell inside the car, I would suggest to wait another 20 or 40 minutes just to be sure and for your own safety.
Brink of no stink. I don't smell anything.